Well, welcome everybody to the channel Fix and Ride. My name is Mark from Cottonwood, Arizona. Welcome to the channel. Got a treat for you today. About 25 years ago, I started on a project to restore a 1975 Honda CB400F. And back when in the 70s, I used to go into the Honda shop and see these Honda CB400Fs and just would die for one. Well, you know, I'm 18 years old. I don't have two nickels to rub together. So obviously I never got one. But I told myself, one of these days I'm going to own a CB400F, a nice one. So about 25 years ago, I bought a group of bikes and started to salt them away. I took them apart. I stashed them. I disassembled them, put them basically up in an attic. Well, about 5 years ago, I got it out and started putting all these pieces together and figuring this puzzle out. So this particular video was taken with a VHS camera. For those of you who don't know what that is a large videotape camera that we used to have back in the 70s and 80s. Obviously, they're long gone. They're obsolete. You do see them from time to time. I am slowly making progress on this restoration, so I invite you to like and subscribe because I'm going to start posting a video about every week on how I'm coming along with this project. So this is kind of a once-in-a-lifetime restoration. I bought hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of NOS parts over the past 25 years. I even used to buy brand new Honda CB400F parts from a Honda dealership back in the late 1990s when they were still available. So join me for about the next 4 minutes as we go through and watch what it was like with a VHS camera taking a picture and some videos of some old Honda CB400Fs. Enjoy. Okay, here's the projects we're doing. CB400F. Rusted forks. Examine the wiring harness. Notice the strap goes underneath. There's a clamp in this area here. There is a ground wire here on this terminal. There's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 that hold the battery box in. The harness goes underneath, splices into 3 legs at this junction right here. And this junction goes to the regulator. The wire to the bottom goes over and across. The wire on the bottom splices one more time. There's a broken connection right here. This is the wire leading to the regulator. Looks like somebody has done some patchwork here. Okay, fuse block runs down and over in this area here, and then that's going across to the regulator. This is the wire that's running across, and then the other wire okay. See where the turn indicator sits. Notice the braces, little straps here on the plastic fender. Okay. The wire, the bottom wire, breaks into 3. So the top wire okay.
pretty well butchered. Notice it runs down and into the neck. Okay. Runs up and inside the shell. All the wires leading from the tack, the instruments, and the things run into the shell. Wires are facing up wires are facing up for the coils. Okay, this is the wire going to the selenium rectifier, and it is going back over across and is just barely underneath the inlet, the rubber inlet for the air filter. Okay, this is the strap, battery hold down strap. Okay, this would be the turn indicator. This is a terminal we don't know where it is. And there's the wire running down into the starter. And then you've also got the one going into the stator. Has a rubber boot on it. Okay. And this is bike B. And then we're going to take the harnesses off of these bikes today. And that should do it. A couple of important things here. One, we're going to notice that the turn indicator light or relay has been clipped here, and this is going to the starter relay. Notice that where the side cover mounts and where the fuse block is, this is where this wire is running, which is actually the rear of the bike going to the back lights.
Well, that's going to conclude today's video. I would highly recommend that you like and subscribe these videos. My goal is to post a video about once every week. I've been making a lot of progress on this restoration, and I want to share that stuff with you. So please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Fix and Ride.